no tomorrow.
Okay, number 43. I am ever so near you, hovering over your shoulder, reading every thought. People think that thoughts are fleeting and worthless, but yours are precious to me. I smile when you think lovingly of me. My spirit, who lives within you, helps you to think my thoughts. As your thinking goes, so goes your entire being. Let me be your positive focus. When you look to me, knowing me as God with you, you experience joy. This is according to my ancient design when I first crafted man. Modern man seeks his positive focus elsewhere, in sports, sensations, acquiring new possessions. Advertising capitalizes on the longing of people for a positive focus in their lives. I planted that longing in humans' souls, knowing that only I could fully satisfy it. Delight yourself in me. Let me become the desire of your heart. Very, very good. When you look to me, knowing me as God with you, you experience joy. Man, this is really good. Okay. We'll do the verses. Oh wait, I didn't give you guys the verses today. I'm getting bad about this. I missed it like a couple days ago and had to apologize yesterday, and now here we are and I'm about to forget again. Anyways, so here's the verses for today. I got a little lipstick on my book. But anyways, that's besides the point. Here are the verses. I like to give you all these verses just so you can, go back and look at them throughout your day. See how God is using these in your life. Maybe have one of these verses that you stand on. Just have it there that every time the devil tries to remind you of, something or put you down or, make you depressed or anxious or whatever, you remind him of one of these verses. And I promise you'll feel better. All right. Okay. I'm on the wrong page. That's why I was like, wait a minute. That's the same ones we had yesterday. Anyways. I had a little blonde moment there. It was a blonde moment. Okay. O Lord, you have searched me and you know me. You know when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. Psalms 139, 1 and 2. The virgin will be with a child and will give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel, which means God with us. Matthew 1:23. Oh, I like this one. I remember learning this one in Sunday school or something. Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37:4. Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Very, very good. I don't really know how to explain this one today because it's talking about a positive mindset, a positive focus. And I think sometimes we have to go through trials and tribulations to get to the point where we are matured in our, I don't know how to explain it, guys. So I feel like we have to get to a point where you've been through things and you know that God was with you through those things. And you know that God helped you and provided for you and took care of you, and you came out on the other side, a better person for it. So I feel like you have to go through things, trials, tribulations, whatever. Like you have to, sometimes have to go through those in order to find that positive focus. Myself, for me, I wake up every day happy. Life is way too stinking short to be ill or ugly, or I just don't want any of that in my heart or around me. I do not like negative people. I cannot. The energy is like, I just can't. But I haven't always been this way. I had to go through some major stuff, not the tornado. I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about like in my 20s and, 30s, early 30s to get to this point. So if you're in the middle of a storm, trial, tribulation, addiction, anxiety, depression, if you're stuck smack in the middle of that and you're trying every which way to get away from it and get your positive focus back, or for the first time ever have a positive focus, I don't know, but if you are trying this and that, and I'm going shopping every day because it makes me feel good, but it only makes you feel good for a little bit. Or I'm taking these pills here because they make me feel good. They only make you feel good for a little bit. You're never going to be satisfied or find that positive focus until you turn to the Lord. It's just not going to happen. You can put your trust in whatever other thing that you have that you're trying so hard to use in order to, be positive. But it's not going to work. Nothing's going to satisfy you like God's love. We were designed that way. Man, I hope that I tried my best today, y'all. I hope that I didn't confuse you or I just know that God's way is the best way. And I know that once you've been through something in your life and you trusted God through it and you grew through it and you learned through it, that the joy just happens. It begins to fill your heart and your thoughts. Your mind, your actions all begin to look Christ-like because you yourself have gotten closer to God. Yeah. All right, guys. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.